The day Igbo engineers saved Nigeria's oil industry. Imagine a moment when Nigeria's oil industry, our lifeline, our economic heartbeat, was on the brink of total collapse. Pipelines were failing, refineries were shutting down, production was sinking fast. The nation was bleeding millions every single day. Foreign investors were packing their bags. Jobs were evaporating. The economy was dangerously close to free fall. Fear dominated the headlines. Nigeria stood on the edge of an energy disaster that could have crippled the entire nation. But then, when hope seemed lost, a team of Igbo engineers stepped forward. Quietly, brilliantly, no noise, no politics, no spotlights, just pure skill, sacrifice, and patriotism. And in the end, these heroes in hard hats saved Nigeria's oil industry from one of the greatest crises in its history. This is their story, the crisis. To understand how bad things were, we need to return to late 1980s and early 1990s, when Nigeria oil sector wasn't just big, it was the country's financial heartbeat. Oil-funded schools, hospitals, roads, salaries, everything. But suddenly, that heartbeat became unstable. Pipelines were corroding faster than they could be repaired. Refineries couldn't refine even half of their expected output. Sabotage was happening almost daily. Foreign companies whispered the same thing. Nigeria is too risky. Many were ready to exit. And if the oil stopped flowing, the economy could have collapsed overnight. This wasn't just an oil industry problem. It was a national emergency. Now let's see the unsung saviors. And then came the engineers, a group of highly trained Igbo professionals, experts in petroleum engineering, refinery systems, logistics, and crisis management. They weren't political appointees. They weren't in fancy offices. They were problem solvers, armed with knowledge gained from both Nigeria and abroad. They took on the crisis head-on, often working in dangerous environments, swamps, offshore platforms, remote fields, where one mistake could cost lives. But they didn't back down. Now let's see